In this video, we're going to talk about framing, which means make sure what you want the person to watch or see, including yourself, they can actually see. Framing, or positioning yourself correctly, will greatly improve your videos, making it easy to see you. Also, don't make reference to items or things that aren't visible on the camera, even though it may be something that's in the room with you. In our industry, there's a saying that says, 50% of what you see is what you hear, so make sure your viewer can hear you as well as see you. If you don't have a separate microphone, then make sure your camera or device is close to clearly pick up what you're saying. If there's lots of background noise, find a quieter space. If you're not sure, simply ask the person watching you if they can hear you okay. The other element of being able to see you is light. Not enough light, and you can look like a dark silhouette. Too much light, and most phones and devices struggle to work well. If it's dark, you don't need fancy studio lights, just use a lamp. You might have to remove the shade, or turn on the room lights if it's dark. Generally, you won't be setting a mood for your videos, so just keep yourself well lit and make it easy for the viewer to see you. If it's too bright, find some shade or set up your own shade, even if you use an umbrella. Finally, try to keep your main light source in front of you or maybe to the side. Don't have your brightest lights or the sun behind you, as it can make it much harder for the camera to see you. In our next video, we'll share some other elements to make your videos or video calls even better. See you then!